Most islands are figured out in the field. Measurements, cutouts, adjustments, fixes. Every builder knows the pressure that comes with a barbecue island. Knock-Down BBQ Islands were created to bring control back into the process. Every outdoor project starts with an idea, a layout, a vision of how the space should function. The challenge has never been imagining what's possible. It's finding a way to build it accurately, efficiently, and without compromise. That's where our process begins. You choose the appliances. You choose the accessories. You define the size, the layout, and the way the island needs to perform. And we build it. Grills, side burners, storage, refrigeration, access doors, lighting. Whatever the project calls for, the island is built to support it. No forcing components to fit. No on-site modifications. No redesigns in the field. What arrives at the job site is a system built specifically for that project. Every panel is engineered, cut, and fabricated ahead of time. So the hard work is done before the job even starts. Quality doesn't start on the job site. It starts here in the way products are designed, built, and tested. Every Knock-Down BBQ Island begins in our own facility, where metal fabrication, engineering, and assembly happen under one roof. Because when you control the process, you control the outcome. No guessing, no rework, no waiting on cures or trades. What you're seeing here is a system designed for builders. Cutouts are made to exact specifications. Components are designed to work together. Crews stay focused. Schedules stay intact. Designed with intention, built with precision, and made for the way professionals build. Knock-Down Islands. Built in the USA. Freedom built your way.